Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and greetings to all of us, my respected judges, esteemed teachers, and my beloved and proud fellow comrades. We offer endless praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, for it is through His mercy and grace that we are all able to gather here in good health to collectively express our spirit and optimism. On this special occasion, allow me, Putri Syarifatul Ulia from Vocational High School of Wanjetis, Mojokerto, to invite us all to pause for a moment and open our hearts. We are all here in this school with one common goal, to achieve a bright future. However, have we ever asked ourselves, what kind of future are we facing? It is no longer a future that can be guaranteed by a single diploma. The world today is moving at an unimaginable pace. Jobs that exist today may no longer exist tomorrow. Meanwhile, jobs we never imagined suddenly emerge and require skilled labor. This is where vocational education plays a crucial role. There is a misconception in society. In the past, vocational education was often seen as a second choice, a place for those who could not continue on the academic path. However, this mindset needs to be corrected. Vocational education is a smart solution, a strategic investment to tackle the uncertainties of the future. Vocational education is not just about teaching theory. It's not just about teaching theory. It is a place where we think, create, and work directly. We don't just learn about machines. We assemble them, repair them, and make them function again. We don't just learn about business. We directly practice entrepreneurship. We don't just read code. We create applications that benefit society. All of this is proof that vocational education is where real and relevant skills are honed. We are prepared to dive straight into the industry to become ready-to-use workforce who not only follow orders but also innovate. However, the most valuable aspect of vocational education is independence and courage. We are taught not to fear failure, to try and to create opportunities. Vocational graduates do not always have to be job seekers. With the skills we have acquired, we can become job creators, young entrepreneurs building our own business, and opening doors of opportunity for others. Let us reflect. In every stroke of the pencil on a design sketch, in every drop of sweat in the workshop, in every line of code we write, there is a future we are building with our own hands. Let's look even further. A nation's progress requires not just thinkers, but doers. It needs implementation, not just ideas. Indonesia needs millions of skilled workers ready to drive our economy and be the cutting edge of industry. That's our role as vocational students. We are the next generation who will lead this country's industrial revolution and the backbone that can build its future. So, to all my friends, never doubt or feel inferior. Vocational education is the path to progress. It is the bridge connecting knowledge with practice, theory with reality, and dreams with reality. Let us prove that vocational graduates are not merely workers, but pioneers, innovators, and the cornerstone of this nation's progress. Well, that's all about my speech today. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm sorry for making mistakes during delivering my speech. The last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.